Hey everybody, so today we're going to be doing a unboxing, specifications, and information video for the Milwaukee M12 1/4-inch straight die grinder. I got it in a combo kit. It came with another, because I already have the M12 right angle, so now I have two right angles and a straight. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so Acme Tools could not beat Home Depot on this kit. They're both bare tools. I already have an unboxing individually of the 1/4-inch right angle die grinder, which is 2485-20, but because I got this in a combo, Home Depot has it for $2.99. And Acme Tools, I believe, has it for $3.59 or $6.69, something around there. So save a little bit and get it from Home Depot. It is July 3rd. This is during the red, white, and blue deals. But we're going to just quickly unbox both of them. We're going to go through specifications on them. And we're going to probably might weigh it and measure them. So first one we're going to look at is, let me move the light a little closer. It is part number 2485-20, which is the 1/4-inch right angle die grinder. Specs on the side are collet size 1/4-inch. RPMs are 0 to 24,500 RPMs or revolutions per minute. Power output 0.3 horsepower. Length is 4.5 inches. Height is 7.9 inches. And weight is, without battery, 1.2 pounds. This one right here is the 1/4-inch straight die grinder by M12 Milwaukee, which is 2486-20. 3-mode speed control. I kind of wish they would have given it a 4-mode, just like the right angle. Would have been nice. Just like this one, it's got the information on the back. If you guys want to read any of this, you can pause it. I'm not going to read it out. Same with this one. If you want to look at any of this, I'll just scroll across it. One of these sides. Okay, the back. Here's the specifications. Collet size 1/4-inch. RPM 21,000. Power output 0.3 horsepower. You know, if it's the same horsepower rating, they could have put the 4 mode and gave it 24,500 RPMs, just like the right angle. Height 2 inches, length 10.3 inches, weight without a battery is 1.2 pounds. These are tools only. Let's get them unboxed. Got your instruction booklet, so I have 2 of these now. And read these, guys. They will help you with any information or questions you have. Got the M18 M12 pamphlet book. Entry to win this kit or a t-shirt. Here is the tool. There's the right angle. And also comes with the collet wrenches. I kind of wish that they also, on this tool, you know, mode 1 is 10,000, mode 2 is 15,000, mode 3 is 20,000, mode 4 is 24,500. I wish they would have put a lock button on here so you can just lock the spindle and just use one wrench, but they didn't. Just, it is what it is. Move box out the way on the side. Excuse me, guys. We're going to open this, the 1/4 inch straight. Here's your instruction booklet, 2486-20. Here is another M18 M12 pamphlet book. As well as your free entry for the month. And 1/4 inch straight die grinder. Has a little Milwaukee tag on it with the speeds: 10,000 for mode 1, 15,000 for 2, and 21,000 for 3. Take that off. As well as both wrenches. 1/2 inch and 11/16, 11/16, and 1/2 inch, the same as the 1/4 inch right. Comes with those two. This tool right here. Fold the box back up. Put the boxes to the side. Down here on the floor for right now. Alright, so we're going to move the instruction packets so we can measure these real quick. My suggestion, because I have another 1/4 right angle, is I would use a 6 amp hour for, so there's the second one, just point it down. So I have 2 of them. I do need to get the dust covers, the rubber covers for all of my Milwaukee tools. I haven't bought them yet. I need them for my 1/2 inch, 3/8, 1/4 inch ratchets, fuel ratchets. I don't know if they make them for the brushed 3/8 and 1/4 inch ratchets. I need to get it for both of my right angle die grinders as well as that straight die grinder. I need to get them for all 3 of my stubbies. I need to get it for, I think they have it for the 1/4 inch hex impact driver, as well as the hammer drill, I believe. My other hammer drill, my Gen 1 hammer drill, is in another box. I think that's about it. I don't think they make them for the oscillating tool or the Dremel style tool, the rotary tool. But I also need to get them for, I just put these 2 3/4 and 1/2 inch 1 key impact wrenches. I don't think they make them for the grinders. I do know that the polisher came with one. Here's the polisher. Here's my 7 to 9 inch grinder, as well as my 4.5 inch to 6 inch grinder. Jigsaw, stapler, random orbital, circular saw, cutoff, 3 inch cutoff tool. But I'm gonna grab 2 batteries, or maybe all I have is the 2.0 compacts. I have a 3XC, I have a 4XC. 2, 3, 4, and I have a 6. So we're going to bring the scale in. We're going weigh these. They're tools. So the 1/4 inch straight die grinder, bare tool. It's 1 pound, 3.0 ounces. The right angle, bare tool. It's 1 pound, 3.5 ounces. Compact 2. They're fully charged. Compact 2, 1 pound, 9.6 ounces. With this tool, XC3. I would recommend an XC3 4 or a 6 for these tools. 3 is 2 pounds, 1.5 ounces. Does have a bright LED. That's weird. This one's kind of tight for some reason. Compact 4. Wow. For some reason these are not fitting very well. There it goes. 4. XC4 is 2 pounds, 1.4 ounces is what it settled at. These are really tight for some reason. And an XC6 is 2 pounds, 2.1 ounces. And really tight. So we're gonna also do it same order from smallest battery to largest that I have with the right angle. This is a lot easier to put in. With a 2, it is 1 pound, 10.1 ounces. With a 3, a lot easier to put them in. It is 2 pounds, 2.0 ounces. With a 4, it is 2 pounds, 1.9 ounces. And a 6 is 2 pounds, 2.6 ounces. Seems like the straight die grinders spring in here is slightly more stiff, or this compartment is a lot this one doesn't have springs in it. You can see that. This one does. It has got springs in it. And it's got a lot of rubber over molding that this one doesn't have. That might be why it's harder to get in. Let me look at my other one. Nope, this one does not have any rubber in it either. This one is, I think it said 10 inches long. Yeah, 10 inches long without a battery. This one is 8 inches, 7 inches and 3/4 of an inch without a battery. I don't think it's necessary to measure them with batteries. All the XC batteries are, well, I guess I'll just put a 6. I'll just put it on real quick because the 3, 4, and 6 are going to be the same. 9 inches and 3/4 of an inch for the right, and a 6, 3, or 4. With a 6 on the straight, makes the straight without the tool or a bit installed. It's 12 inches and 1/8 of an inch. With a compact 2 without a tool bit installed. It is 11 inches exactly with a compact. And with a compact on the right angle, it is 8 inches and 3/4 of an inch. Whoa! Just not having a good day today, I guess. Got so much stuff to do, and I keep dropping stuff in the camera, and you know. Sorry, guys. So this is everything they came with, their bare tools. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Again, this is the 2486-20 straight 1/4 inch die grinder M12, and this one is the 2485-20 right angle 1/4 inch die grinder. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, and my DJI Electronics affiliate links. Appreciate you guys watching. Appreciate you guys sticking around to watch the video, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace. Yeah.